Top 6 Home Gadget. Product 1.
Meet the Gourmax Pro, my ultimate cooking ally that effortlessly blends culinary diversity with practicality. With its 16 digital presets, I seamlessly transition from grilling steaks to air-frying crispy veggies, all within a compact device. It's perfect for my small kitchen, offering a significant upgrade to my meal prep routine without clutter. Easy to clean, it's truly indispensable for diverse, efficient cooking.
Product 2.
All right, folks, ever had a pizza night ruined by a soggy crust from your regular oven? You know, the kind where you wish you could hit 800 degrees? Well, I picked up the Cook with Color pizza maker, and let me tell you, it's like hosting a pizzeria right in your own kitchen. Crisp crusts every time, and it only takes 6 minutes. Plus, those dual knobs, they're like magic for hitting the sweet spot of perfect pizza bliss. If homemade pizzas with a professional finish are what you're after, plug this gem in. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Hit the link and bring this beauty home today.
Product 3.
Struggling with inconsistent frying results at home? I was too, until I discovered the Presto Grandpappy electric deep fryer. Now, I effortlessly achieve perfect crispy fries and succulent shrimp. Its automatic temperature control and easy cleanup make it indispensable. Compact yet powerful, it fits comfortably in my kitchen, storing oil safely with no mess.
Product 4.
Pressured to make delicious meals quickly? The Instant Pot Pro Plus does it all. From pressure cooking to sous vide, experience seamless cooking with Wi-Fi control and over 1,900 smart recipes. Elevate your culinary skills. Order yours now and redefine your kitchen experience.
Product 5.
In compact kitchens, efficient cooking solutions become essential. The Elite Gourmet Double Cast Iron Burner excels in delivering rapid, uniform heating with its 1,500-watt power and separate temperature controls. Its durable plates ensure hassle-free cleaning, supporting your culinary endeavors seamlessly. Enhance your kitchen efficiency with this dependable device. Choose Elite Gourmet, where innovation meets convenience. Click to revolutionize your cooking experience today.
Product 6.
I was tired of breakfast chaos with my old griddle, pancakes sticking, uneven cooking. Then I discovered the Bella XL electric ceramic titanium griddle. It heats quickly and cooks evenly, letting me whip up 15 eggs at once without fuss. Cleanup, a breeze. Ready for effortless mornings? Upgrade to Bella today and revolutionize your breakfast routine.